Careface CVP. Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Careface Video Productions.
I am Nkrumah, the great Ras naturalist and the great Ras Yunchie. I will greet in the name of the Kings of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the conquering line of the 12th tribe of Judah. Exhibir Nagus Nagas Nigas I Kadamawi King Selassie I Rastafari, hail impressment and the full balance of aeration and itation. Selassie. The first tune I'm going to do is a tune named reggae music. No feel no way, just can't die. The eye scene, run the rhythm there. All about to see, all about to live, all about what one. All about to sing, all who are DJ, all who are play song. Reggae music can't die, aye. Sure, reggae music can't die. All about to Selassie, pull up that. Stop it there. Rastafari. Yes, Rastafest. How do you feel it? To do is called Congo. Now this tune is available on 7-inch vinyl right now. I don't have copy for me, but if you do need a copy, get in touch with me. And you see this tune now is dedicated to all Rasta. And in my opinion, you don't need dreadlocks to be a Rasta. You see, because you have some elder will lose their locks, they are still Rasta. You have some young people who want to grow locks, they are still Rasta. So we say Rastafari to the world. What happened to the monitor? Me not hear the monitor. So let's see, yeah man. So we are going to run this tune, and I would love to see all Rastafarians from all houses live in one unity. No matter which side you see His Majesty from, the honor we are include His Majesty King Selassie the first, and impressment and the full balance of aeration. Jah! Rastafari. Run Congo, them my lord. On Madame Gay, baby bang gay. Here one, the Congo anointed, Congo anointed, Congo Rastafari, Selassie. Here Ras Yunchie and Dada Naturalist. Here Stereograph, the great King Spunky. Yes, Mali bless the Starliners massive. The whole massive there. We love you, analog. Hey, Lady Justice. Rastafari, give thanks to our Rastafest patrons. My name is Nkrumah.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.